to my channel, guys. So my today's topic is how to think out of the box. Yes, how to think out of the box is something that we are to think apart from other people thinking, or we have to do something new, create something new wherever we are working, or some activities we want to create or invent. So how do you invent? Invention takes a longer process of time. It's not a one day work, or you cannot finish it within few weeks. It's a longer process. So it requires lots of practices. You need to accumulate lots of information about the activity you are doing. You have to practice through, you have to understand through the activities how your seniors or references so far has been published, and have to understand through the things that how it to be performed, or how things can be created so far, of what people has created, how they have tried to get to their thinking process, try to get to their way of thinking, that how they did it, how they thought. Just try to grab their thought processes. So in this way, in this process, if lots of references are gathered, and so here there will be a lot of options, there will be a lot of references to think about, that how many people have thought about this, have to find out the references, have to go through lots of books, and you can google it, you can find out. So next comes, after this reference collection, after that comes, you need to have proper information about how these things are going on, what are the things, what are the key things that one has to find out, or one has to understand, has to accumulate. Because without information you cannot go into any activities, any kind of research work you cannot go, or you cannot bring something new, because you have to learn the base, you have to learn some basic information that is required for to perform that activity, or to think about that particular activity. So when you are done with your informations, you are done with your references, next you have to think, you have to learn to know, understand that how these people have learned, or how these people have thought, from which view. Most of the thing you can find that in the nature, whatever has been created has nature is a big reference, and most of the thing has been taken references from the nature and has been created. So of course you can take nature is your big reference for this, and hence you have to have your very good quality of observational power, should have intelligence to understand, to get into the deeper about that activity, and understand how to perform it, how to understand, how to go through this activity, and how can you bring yourself, your outlooks. You have to have your own ideas, that you have to note down, that whatever ideas you want to put into this, because after you have gone through such kind of processes, you will develop in your new ideas in your mind, and thus you will try to implement them. So of course you need a clear record of whatever has come to your mind, whatever ideas you have of your own, and you try to implement them through whatever references you have got so far, and thus you can go on with the process, and you can perform them and try on trial basis that these are going or not. You can find, so in this process, if you go on doing this kind of perform this process step by step, you try to accumulate information, then comes references, then come implementation, then after that comes your understanding power, because the much you will implement, the much you will try to do it practically. Of course you will find some flaws in them, and you will try to correct it more and more, want to perfect more and be in that more and more. So in this process you become pretty much, your mind becomes very much strong and active about that particular thing, and it starts to work very faster, and thus your creating power or creating ability begins. So when your creating ability begins in that way, your mind will get references from in and around whatever you see, because your eyes and your brain would start to work very and get stimulated by whatever you are getting in contact, and would try to connect to whatever you are seeing, or whatever you are trying to find out, or whatever you are doing. So in this way, lots of ideas come into the mind. So try to note down those ideas as much as possible, and then these ideas would help you as references to find new things, to find some research work, or do something new in your activity that you're trying to perform. So friends, I hope this was helpful to you, and please do try to follow these processes and implement this, and give me a comment that how it helped and how much it helped. Well, these are kind of lengthy process because these are not going to work for 2-3 days. You have to practice it for at least 1 month or 2 months, and then you will start to understand that how your mind is working, and your mind will slowly generate new ideas, and you can get help from those ideas and implement them to get something new that you want to create. So this is the process how you can think out of the box and try to be more active with whatever activity you are doing, and try to be more try to develop your understanding power about that particular activity, so that you can understand and it in a deeper sense, and you can understand its basics, and thus it will help you to be on track, and at the same time you can create something new. Thank you friends, hope this was helpful to you. Bye bye.